I'm going to show you how to change your needle. So this right here is your needle, and when you are going to change your needle, it's because your needle broke or because you just need a new needle because you've been sewing with this one for a long time. In this class, I change the needles every year, so you don't need to worry about that. But if your needle does break, then you can go ahead and just get a new needle. In drawer 2, you'll find a blue box that looks like this, and inside that is a whole bunch of new needles that I'm going to open so you can see here are the needles. And I want you to pay attention to the needles. So right here we have one that is rounded in the front, and then they've got a flat part in the back. So when you take the needle out, you'll see that it's the same way. Okay, so I'm going to do this one-handed, but I would recommend you not doing this one-handed because it makes it a lot harder. So the first thing right here is your needle clamp. That screw is what holds your needle in place. So you want to turn that towards you to loosen the needle. Sometimes it might be too tight for you, so you can use this tool. It's kind of like a mini screwdriver to just come up here and then loosen it. I would just do one turn. You don't want to do too much with this. So I'm going to try to do this one hand. You're going to turn that, but you want to be holding the needle with your left hand because it can fall out and then drop down in there, and it's really hard to get out, so you don't want to do that. Okay, so you'll notice, again, we've got the rounded part in the front and the flat part in the back, which is the way it goes back in. So flat part in the back and rounded in the front. And you'll also notice that after I unscrewed this, I didn't screw it back in. I don't want to screw it back in until the needle is up there, because if I do that, it will close off the opening for the needle. So I'm going to put this back in. And then just tighten it back up. That's pretty impressive. I did it with one hand. This tool that I was using before, this one right here, you don't want to use that to tighten. You just want to hand tighten it away from you. And that is how you change the needle.